Good morning. So we're here to witness a little bit of batik making in Cape Coast, Ghana. First, he's trying to melt the wax.
Yeah, I'm going to melt the wax. Yeah, so it will turn into liquid form. Then we use it to make our design.
So now the fire is getting bigger and the smoke, a lot of smoke. And how long is it is to melt?
It depends on the fire. The way it will become high, then it will be able to heat it up. That's how I'm finding it. I'm just removing some of the wax from the pan so that it will not be plenty. Before you get your batik, your quality batik, you're supposed to get 100% cotton wool. So you can come around and feel it. This is 100% cotton wool. You would need this cotton, then you need your colors as well. And the colors for today's workshop is blue, green and purple. Get our batik, we will use it to dye it. Yeah. And before you dye your batik or your cloth inside this color, you will need these two chemicals. That you mix it with the colors before you dip your cloth inside. One is called hydrosulfate, and it has a very bad odor, the hydrosulfate. Yeah. What it does in the fabric is it helps the color to brighten the fabric. Yeah. It's in the powder form. And it also helps to remove the air from the water, the bubbles. So this is the hydro in a powder form. That's a bad odor as well. And we have the caustic soda. That one too is very harmful. It can burn your body when it touches any part of your body. It is more like salt or sugar. The caustic soda. And it also helps the color to stay in the fabric for a very long time so that it will not be easily to fade away. So without these two chemicals, you cannot dye your cloth inside the colors or the dye. Other than that, it will just fade out. So you have to make these chemicals. Before you do that too, you will need hot water. So after that, I will just boil hot water for that. And you have to create your design or your style in the fabric. That one too, you will need your motif. So a motif like this, you pick a motif like this, then you melt a wax as I was doing at the first. So you dip in your design inside the melted wax. When you dip it, then you use it to print or register on the cloth.
So we have to do this very gentle. Yes. Don't press it, because the design will be gone. So we just have to put it on top and then move to the left, right, front, back. Left, right, front, back. Voila!
I'm mixing the color.
Okay,
Yeah,
purple.
the solution. Purple color with the caustic soda and the hydrosulfate.
And then he's adding boiling water.
Yes. solution is ready. The cloth is going inside.
So now he's dyeing the fabric. It's hot water. Really hot water.
Dip it inside the boiling water. The big pot on the fire over there. Then we are done with our batik.
You have to dip it to boiling waters to
Yes.
take out the wax.
Yes, please.
You're collecting the wax.
Yes.
It's going up in the water. So we have to do this for a few minutes, huh?
Yeah. I'm about to take it off.
To take out the wax,
Yeah.
all the wax.
I'm about to take the cloth from the boiling water. I'm going to dip it inside a cold water. I'm going to dip it inside the cold water to cool it down.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the last process, so I'm just drying it on the line. Then your cloth will be ready to use. We are done. So right now I think it is dry, so I'm going to take it off. So you may use it for anything. Maybe you can use it to sew pillow or bed sheet or a cloth. Thank you.